Welcome to Bike Lane, your go-to spot for motorcycle reviews, specs, and everything two wheels. Today, we're diving into a classic reborn, the 2025 Honda Shadow ACE 1100. With its rich cruiser heritage and modern updates, the ACE 1100 blends vintage appeal with contemporary performance. Let's get into what makes this bike a standout in 2025. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Shadow ACE 1100 is an 1,100 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, tuned for a broad torque curve and smooth power delivery. Honda's refined fuel injection ensures crisp throttle response, while the engine maintains that classic rumble cruiser fans love. With a 5-speed transmission and shaft drive, this bike offers a low-maintenance and reliable ride, ideal for both urban cruising and highway touring. Design and comfort. The ACE, short for American Classic Edition, stays true to its roots with wide fenders, plenty of chrome, and a nostalgic tank badge. A low-slung seat, forward foot controls, and wide handlebars ensure a relaxed riding posture. The 2025 model introduces improved ergonomics and a more supportive saddle for long-haul comfort, without losing the timeless cruiser silhouette. Technology and features. While the exterior pays tribute to tradition, Honda has quietly integrated modern tech. LED lighting, keyless ignition, and a digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster come standard. The ACE 1100 also includes selectable ride modes and traction control, adding a layer of safety and customization that older cruisers lacked. Ride experience and handling. The 2025 ACE 1100 rides on a revised frame for better stability and smoother handling. With dual-disc brakes up front and ABS, the braking is confident without being harsh. Suspension upgrades offer improved damping, giving riders a more composed feel over bumps and curves. Whether you're carving through back roads or gliding down the freeway, the ACE holds its own with grace. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Shadow ACE 1100 is more than a retro revival, it's a thoughtfully updated cruiser that respects its lineage while embracing the future. Ideal for riders who value style, reliability, and a comfortable ride, the ACE 1100 proves that classics don't have to stay in the past. Outro, Bike Lane. Thanks for riding with Bike Lane. Be sure to subscribe for more bike breakdowns, comparisons, and road-tested reviews. Let us know in the comments, is the ACE 1100 your kind of cruiser? Ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.